This is a HASS vertical machining center, one of our newest machines in here. This has 3 axes, an X, a Y, and a Z, but it also has a rotary indexing table, so we can essentially do 4-axis machining work with this particular machine. This is a very fast CNC machine. A lot of high production parts can be made on it. Of course, it's programmed, so you can see the actual controllers. This would be one of the types of CNC machines that would be commonly used by manufacturers in production settings to make machine parts. And you will, of course, learn how to set up, run, and operate. And in some cases, if you decide that you like this class and go on, learn how to write programs and program this machine. It is a high demand, high skilled type of job. Most CNC operators in this area are making anywhere from $18 to $25 an hour. And of course, if you are learning how to program this machine, the sky's the limit. You could be making even more than that. So just one of the many tools that are here in the Sim Lab at Richland, where you can come in, learn how to use this equipment, and start your career. It's a great career in terms of the machine tool technology that we have to offer.